2022, we have Ratsukatu. Probably.
Yes.
Yes. Was it 11 did you say?
4.
4. This is such a weird solution. They didn't build a scenic elevator. They should have done it, really. Look at this. Glass windows on 2 sides. On the left hand side and on the back wall. Why didn't they build a scenic elevator here? Really? Just in front of them, at the sales shopping center, they have several scenic elevators. And also the outer one that we showed filled with 3 floors. The granite wall even.
Yeah.
So why didn't they build it here? So weird. 1655A, built in 2002, turning 20 years old this year in 2022. 7 floors. This is what some would call a not so scenic elevator.
Yeah.
Because look at that. Yeah, you can still see through there, but it's not enough.
Yeah.
I mean, they had reserved those walls for it. Like they reserved it to be a scenic elevator, but they still didn't build it.
Yeah.
This is a problem we have encountered in some residential buildings in Finland. Like in Hatanpää, we found some.
Yeah.
And I think also here in Oslo. It's weird because it was after the recession. It was around the year 2000. It's already like 8 years after that.
Yeah.
So it's weird why they didn't build it. Even though they reserved spaces for scenic elevators, but they didn't build them.
Yeah.
And they should have done it. In some cases they did, but not in all cases. They should have done it in all cases.
Yeah.
And I don't believe it would have been so difficult to put them. Yeah, I was telling that it wouldn't have been hard to make it like that. If you just they had put the mirror here and the back wall here, like the glass window here.
Yeah.
Yeah, and even a full length one they could have put that.
Yeah. Yes, but it like device and maintained by Espoo hissi.
There is really no use like trying to look through there.
Yeah.
You cannot really see anything.
That's